Hi guys, we have here the Satin Smooth Collagen under eye lift mask. As you can see here, I want to give you guys a quick look at the product. Let me go ahead and give you guys a 360 view. Go ahead and open up what's inside of these products. Comes in packs of 3s, like this. Kind of just apply it under your eyelids there. So in one pack it comes with 3 sets, packs of 2 each. So there you have it for the under eye Satin Smooth. This is 3 milk and honey collagen mask. So great quality. They also have the whole face mask as well. So great quality product from the Satin Smooth brand. So if you're looking to purchase this or any of the Satin Smooth product, please visit the link in the description or on our website below. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.